In this session, we are going to revise the question answers of funny shirts. Are you written in notebook? Who are not sending me the homework that students have to be sent? Okay. Who are remaining? All that students also send the homework. Okay. Now let's read it. Points to remember in the funny shirt. Okay. Who is the main character? Abdul. Who was Abdul? Abdul was tailor and father of Amin. Abdul's shop is top on the hill of hill. So clouds entered the shop. So Abdul couldn't see properly while stitching. Okay. One day what happened? Abdul stitches 3 funny shirts. One shirt had 4 sleeves. Second shirt had only 1 long sleeve. And third shirt had no sleeves, just only neck. Amin suggested to buy spectacles. So both of them went towards the doctor. What happened in the hospital? Doctor buy the shirt which had only 1 long sleeve for his giraffe. Doctor had 1 giraffe. Give some money and pair of spectacles to Abdul and advised to eat carrots. Okay, carrots are useful for our vision. Abdul and Amin went towards vegetable seller. When they went to vegetable seller, what happened? Vegetable seller buy the shirt which had 4 sleeves for his dog named Ruff. Okay, give some money and some carrots. Okay, Abdul and Amin went to buy lamb towards the lamb seller. Lamb seller, what happened when they went towards the lamb seller? Lamb seller buy the shirt which had no sleeves, only 1 neck for his tablas, and gave the order of some another shirt also and give some money and big lamb to Abdul. Understood? Now see the question answers. Answer the following questions. Do you think the spectacles helped Abdul to see better? I think the spectacle doesn't help Abdul because Abdul can't see when cloud entered the shop. What did Abdul and Amin do with the money they got? Abdul and Amin decided to buy the lamp. Read and answer. When was Abdul not able to see anything inside the shop? Whenever Abdul opened the doors or windows, the clouds floated into the shop. So Abdul was not able to see anything. Describe the 3 shirts. One shirt had 4 sleeves. Second shirt had only 1 long sleeve. Third shirt had no sleeves, just neck. Okay. What did Amin tell the doctor? Amin said, my father needs spectacles. He can't see properly. Amin told the doctor. Okay. Which shirt did the vegetable seller take? The vegetable seller take 4 sleeves shirt. Here are some another questions. Take the correct answers in each. What happened one morning when Abdul sat down to stitch? It rained, clouds entered the shop, Abdul slept, it became hot. B option is correct. Clouds entered the shop. Why was the doctor happy with the shirt? It was the best for his dog, it was the best for his camel, it fitted to the doctor, it was best for his giraffe. D option is correct. Give him lots of carrots to eat. Why do you think the doctor said this? Abdul loved to eat carrots. Carrots are tasty. The vitamins in the carrots are good for eyes. All of these. C option is correct one. Okay. How did lamb seller use the funny shirt? He used for his tablas. He used for his monkeys. He wore it. He used for his dog. Option A is correct answer. Students, you have to complete the writing as well as you have to send revision or audio clip for me. This is today's homework. Okay, thank you.